Hello, I'm Ioannidou, and I'm a reader in competition law at the School of Law of Queen Mary University. The module I would like to talk to you briefly about is competition law and AI. And as its title suggests, it's about competition law enforcement in the era of artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence is much more about law. It has to do with technology, neuroscience, computer science. But in essence, what we will be discussing and what we will be focusing on is the transformative potential of these AI technologies, and in particular, with particular focus on generative AI, how we can harness its potential without at the same time compromising its unintended side effects. So as part of this course, which is something that is high on the agenda of many policymakers around the world, and I'm thinking here the Competition and Markets Authority in the UK, the European Commission, the US DOJ, the US FTC, all of them at the moment having discussions on AI technologies and their impact on competition law enforcement. So we will be focusing on AI, generative AI, the application of competition law to this type of technologies, what risks they pose, what challenges they pose, how we should react against those challenges. Other examples that we will be looking at in a real context is whether personalized pricing, tracking algorithms pose a problem of competition law, how competition law can react, how merger control should and can react to these new type of technologies. These are cutting-edge issues, and because of that, your assessment will be through an essay, which will give you the opportunity to develop your own voice on things that competition law academics, practitioners, and scholars are currently debating. This course deals with cutting-edge issues with respect to AI technologies. So for that reason, many of the things that we will be discussing as part of this course are very much evolving. So the assessment will be through an essay where you will have the opportunity to develop actually your own voice, your own opinion on debated issues, on issues which are currently very much on the agenda of different regulators around the world. So it will be also an opportunity for you, for those of you that have an interest later on to work in the area, to debate issues, perhaps to have a publication out of your essay. So it is really important to engage in these cutting-edge topics in an area of law which is very much developing and evolving.